Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to remove Snapchat suggested friends. So to do that, let's head over to our Snapchat application. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the big emoji on the top left corner. And from here, head over to the settings on the top right. And in here, scroll down until you find the option of notification. So once you're there, there was an option of notification. So I'm enabling it. And if I go to notifications again, there's some options in here. And in here, if you scroll down, you'll find the option of friend suggestions. So just uncheck it. And here and now you never get any friend suggestions or the notifications of friend suggestions. So yeah, this is how easy it is to remove Snapchat suggested friends. Hope this video helped you out and we will see you in the next video.